Former #1 pick. Then Robinson played him well, forced him into the miss. Curry in transition. Steph another lob. Things he likes and doesn't like.
I know, right?
You always got to clear that with these guys.
Yeah.
Wiggins, nice move without the ball. That he could do.
Yeah, but they're one of those dangerous teams that can beat you on any given night if you don't come ready to play because of that talent.
They left Curry in the corner, and that is a problem. And he's learning to pass there, but Glenn Robinson bothered Wiggins. Draymond on the push. Draymond behind his back and laying it up and in. Glenn Robinson. Preseason game, and he's played the D on Wiggins and then finished twice. Teague launched that three and dropped it right in. Jeff Teague was an all-star in that. So Towns in the early going with the three-point play. Robinson's had the 2 buckets. And Mr. Curry likes to hit threes. So Teague and Karl Anthony Towns, they go to Layman in the corner, the former Blazer. And he bottoms in 3. D'Angelo Russell and Curry continue. D'Angelo from the elbow.
I love the speed he plays the game at. Never looks rushed, never in a hurry.
Chris knocked it away. Steph saw there was no trailer and floated it just over the summer and things like that. So he said he's getting his legs underneath him, just playing his way. It's not into shape as Karl Anthony Towns hits it.
That's why they love Draymond.
Angelo's hit a couple jumpers. Rises over Layman again.
He's feeling it now.
D'Lo.
Listen, he's working on
2 years in college, a 6th pick overall. Steph right through the T-Wolf defense. Pascal's beefier than Layman. Steph, he is in attack mode as he backs out. Travion Graham, that's a nice dish to Vonleh. Noah Vonleh very quietly at it. D'Angelo, he's exhorting people to run through. Oh man, the nifty handle and then the finish.
Oh my goodness. Crossover between the legs, crossover.
Somewhere Tim Hardaway is smiling.
He just yanked his face off.
Finish. Graham comes out of the pack pushing. Stop the ball first. Culver hitting 3. Bayou Bengals. Wiggins going one-on-one. And finding Reed again. And so if you're the big there, good for Damian Lee off the action. D'Angelo gets it back with a shot clock at 7. Spellman rolling. Spellman! The little flip and the foul! Tell you what, for a...
He's really good again.
Reed's going to shoot a corner 3. Now offensive rebound's a problem. So Minnesota crashing the glass. So Keita Bates-Diop also checking in. Spellman, contact again. Reed's already got 6 points. Steph hiding behind Spellman. The pick and fade, open 3, and he knocked it down. To Lee, and he had it stripped.
Draymond probably could have gone up with that one.
Nice little runner. But Chris, pretty nifty pass in the return feed. Yeah, Teague in there, didn't realize it. Draymond 3. Now the Warriors are starting.
That was nice, young fella, but next level is you throw the between the legs pass and you set the screen as well.
Oh, Jordan Poole hitting the 3. Every time I watch Jordan Poole, I'm like, he's 20 years old. He's 20 years old.
I know, right?
Pretty tough take and nice finish. Defensively is going to be challenged by this Warrior coaching staff. Jordan Poole banking it in. So core of officials. And there's going to be some growing pains for sure, but Monty McCutcheon is doing a good job evaluating everybody.
Definitely.
And coming final minute here of a really interesting first half. D'Angelo Russell dropping in the 3. Back there. Draymond hesitation, and Karl Anthony Towns met him at the top.
Seen a lot of pick and rolls. Here we go again.
Steph, his 3 is perfect.
His jumper is so
improved in a week. He sees it in the spacing and the cutting, just the overall grasp of the offense. One thing he wants to see more of, offensive rebounds. Like I said, we're going to have a lot of games where we're undersized, so we've got to get in the legs.
And speaking of assists, Kara, the 3 by Steph Curry. Karl Anthony Towns with the 3 of his own.
and then he just pivoted his way to the basket.
D'Lo off the Curry feed.
One more guy makes it that much tougher. That's discouraging for the defender.
Covington's a good defender. Curry sized him up anyway. Warrior lead at 13. You see the talent of Wiggins. He just shows it every once in a while. You're just amazed.
Right.
And there's the ball. How do you...
Like he's going to the ball, go back door. His defender's not in between him and the basket.
Now threes dropping in for him. Oh, man. Curry cutting without the ball. 20 years of age. You can see the 6th pick in the draft and why they like him.
A lot of people saying he's going to be all
Layman back.
Oh, my goodness.
Curry again. The guy did a heck of a job. Russell 3 off iron. A rebound out to Chris. Marquise Chris and Layman spiked it. Distance there. D'Angelo maybe a little too fancy, and that will cost them with a Layman layup. He hammers that with the right hand. Cutting Curry again. And this time he let him.
It's a wrap. Setting screens for my shooters. A lot of times I'll get rewarded if I play that way.
Nas Reed, nice roll. I would think.
And again, I'm always available to try any of the food in this arena. I'll give you reviews on it, whatever you need.
Jacob Evans hitting a 3. I am just shamelessly pulling for Jacob Evans. I love that kid. And I know how hard he works, and it's good to see it as Okogie. Shot clock at 7. Okogie, good movement. Blocked by Spellman. He blocked that dunk. Spellman ran the floor, and then he threw it backwards.
Yeah, Kogi was in good position.
And Culver able to put that.
Kisses, and he's taking bows, and Ryan Saunders is smiling, cheesing.
Look at Spellman, kept his feet down. Vonleh.
That's tough. Pivot game, you can use it there. Know what Vonleh does.
Pascal creating for himself here. How about that? For the Villanova.
You're going.
We're going. I'm taking him. Oh. Damian Lee. Misfiring there. Nice pass from Spellman back to McKinney, and Alfonso moved without the ball. They're running things through Spellman. He's a better passer than I think we even realized. And Pascal on the other end.
Is he going to be keying on Steph? Can you use that against your opponent? Right? Set screens.
Oh, Clint Robinson. Toscano Anderson unable to finish that.
Got him.
And the steal. And the dunk. He's not totally done with that lesson yet.
It's like, forget about the end result. Let's go win this quarter. Let's play good basketball.
Like that. Move without the ball.
Yeah, athleticism. He's not going to make mental mistakes. He's going to be locked in. He understands where to be on both sides of the floor. You got to have him out there. Questioning himself out there. Super confident, knows where to go with the ball.
Okay. Robinson. Why not? Down to LA and Nas Reed able to finish that off to get down to 11 back-to-backs.
Yeah, and they want to cut down on players resting.
Yes.
Right, that's the load management. Yeah, the load management thing is not something that the NBA wants to hear, especially.
Warriors have hit 140 here. And there is Culver. Culver's got 17 to 25 minutes to play extensively. Toscano Anderson. Oh, nice little flip shot, and he draws the foul. Pascal will track it down. There's no need to shoot it. The Warriors wind up with a 20-point win, led by Curry and Russell, but a lot of guys